You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce perfectly the French way, and also how you can easily say in English the name of this late French actor and comedian. Very, very traditional. So let's get into it. Louis. The S is silent in French. Louis de Funès. Fu, the very specific U sound for the letter U in French. Funès. Louis de Funès. Louis de Funès. If you say Louis de Funès, that's exactly how we say it in French. Now, in English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly 100%, you can say it pretty closely as Louis de Funès. Louis de Funès, or in French, Louis de Funès. And now you know. Did you get this? Can you say it correctly, properly, closely? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.